Hi, Gary at Broadlane, Alcester, Warwickshire. Lovely day it is too today. I'm going to show you around this 2018 Swift Celebration 5.8. It's a special edition based on the Swift Challenger SE model. So firstly, you've got the black A-frame, which I think coincides very nicely with the high-gloss carbon effect gas locker lid, barbecue point for outdoor cooking, outdoor power socket, which is very useful. And this one comes with a brand new fitted PowerTouch Evolution manual engaged motor mover. Let me show you around the interior. Firstly, a really super bright interior is too. You've got this really striking two-colour locker system with this chrome effect detailing strip. Positive catches on all the lockers, over locker lighting, under palmet lighting, cassette blinds incorporating night and fly squares. Upholstery is in lovely condition. 4 scatter cushions. You've got the fabric wall pads just to soften up the whole interior. Useful, practical, occasional table. And drawers for storage for all your bits and bobs. Seating for 4. It does make it into a double bed. Kitchen area. Useful, practical kitchen extension. This model's got wooden effect, easy clean flooring. It's got a tailored carpet mat set. It's got factory alarm system. Practical microwave, kitchen omni-vent. Fridge with freezer compartments. Cooking unit features 3 gas burners and the electric hot plate. Let me take you through to the bedroom area. Transverse island bed. If you've not seen these before, they lift up nice and high to reveal fantastic storage. And they just extend forwards towards the window. Cushion drops in the back. Double bed. Sliding space-saving door to the washroom. I'll let my colleague tour you around.
Who's your colleague, Gav?
Mark.
Thank you.
So, nice space to be, but not forgetting that the washroom does double up as a changing room. This van, in our opinion, is in absolutely superb condition. We offer great part exchange, finance subject status, and on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much indeed.